down.
Down is down. Are you kidding me? You're not videotaping me. Up is up, down is down, side is side, other side is other side.
But
Wait, go through the whole process again?
yes.
Okay. Okay. Here is up, here is down. When down
Tyler
becomes
Carter
up,
met
it's
him.
now up, which
Dude.
means up is up. When up becomes down, it's now down, which means down is down. Up is down is up. Down is down, up is up.
Yeah, but if you flip it,
It doesn't
Up
matter
is
if
down.
you flip it.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter because up and down are intangible things. So
Yes.
because you flip it, they should become up and down again.
yeah, I know, but people still see it as this ground as down, so
but
they
see,
call it up and down.
That's saying the ground. You're talking about the ground. I'm talking about the untangible up and down. Oh.
Okay, I'm done with this. It's brain.
Good. Be done because I win.
You win.
I win.
Up is down.
Up is up. Down is down. Up can become down.
Yeah.
But then it just be down again. So
Oh,
that would be
Up
down
and
is
down. Up and down could be down and up.
No, it
It can.
Ah!